Alright everyone, let's get this video done for Give a Friend a Firebird. Thank you all for the slam and quick fill. That was so much fun. We are all paid in now, so here's our list. We've got a 1 through 35. Well, let's get a start time. $11.34. PayPal starts down here with Nathan Geyer. And slow scroll up. And we finish up here with Kathleen Harton. Let's get a fresh tab for random. Alright, green lock is secure. There's a refresh. We've got a 1 through 35 in this one. Alright, good luck everyone. The winner is going to be, winners are going to be 21. 21 is our winners. 11.34 just changed to 11.35. 21 is going to be Mr. B. Tribs and Steve Slater. Congratulations, guys. Shoot me a PM. I'll get these out to you today. 11.35. 11.35. Thanks, everyone.